front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll to click on this section called Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and choose Autofill of Google available here. Now select Google Password Manager. Click on any password you want to edit and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit button and make all changes you want to. Finally, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!